Top 5 Android hacking apps. What's up guys, I'm back here with a new video, and this video is about the top 5 Android hacking apps. And I was not able to post videos from the last week because my PC was not working. So okay, apart from this, now in this video I'm going to tell you that top 5 Android hacking apps are what. So as you know, the great power comes with great responsibility. Now you will see that what is the power of Android, and you will see that how I'm going to get this job done. So let's get started.
Cracky.
So here is the first application called SB Game Hacker, and this video is going to be from the bottom to top series. So in the fifth position is SB Game Hacker. So what it does, it's a floating widget, you can say, and it works when you have proper root access over your phone or your tablet, whatever it is, but it must be Android. Okay, so I'm going to apply this demonstration using the game called Hit Climb Racing. Okay, so this is the basic game. This method works perfect for most of the games and applications which have offline access, and you can modify their values. So suppose it have 15,000 coins in its front of the screen, so you can see it have 15,000 coins, and as it's a real-time application, it's going to modify its value. So I'm searching for the 15,000 coins where it is stored in its register, and it will find and will tell that you can modify it. So let's see. So it says you can modify, so okay, let's go with it, and we will try to give it an integer number for converting it to unlimited. So I'm giving it 99999. so it has some limits that it can be increased up to a maximum limit, so I'm just going to apply it to 99999. okay, so let's do this. Okay, so you can see instantly that the coins are increasing as well perfectly, and now we can make purchases through these coins. So we can unlock the stages, we can upgrade the tires of the bike or gears and whatever it needs in this game, or similar to this you can apply it to most of the games and applications, which works perfect fine for most of the offline games. Okay, I don't know about the online games because they have their data stored in the outside of the server or in their official servers, so it works perfect for the offline data files and offline games and applications. So this is about the SB Game Hacker, which allows you to modify the values of the game and application. So it must be into the fifth position, so I did it, and it is really a helpful application which will give you a perfect easy demonstration to modify the values of the games and APIs. Okay, so now let's move to the next application, and let's start. Okay, so in the top 5th series, this is the second application, and this is the Lucky Patcher, and I have kept this in the 4th position because it is also helpful to remove kind of Google ads, you can say, and helps to modify the contents of the APK files, and or you can say the games and applications, as well as it helps you to make some unlimited hacking app purchases. So I'm just going to give you the demonstration for the Subway Surfers because it contains a shop option, and if you try to make some purchases using this, when you are try to purchase, you can see it says purchase failed. I'm not connected to the internet, but it says that you can get connected to it and you can get purchase using your real payment, the real money. Okay, so we will try to patch it using the Lucky Patcher, and if you have root access or not, it will work fine, but if you have root access, this will work as charm. So this helps you to apply the tweaks, and you can say the patches to the ODEX file of this game, and in most of the applications. So if you have any kind of basic offline games, it will work fine. There is no issue, it will work 100%. And if it have online game, there are lots of issues, guys, because they keep updates their servers, so that's why that doesn't get done. Okay, so let's wait that till it analyze and make this patch complete. Okay, so it's about to done. And one more thing, that why I'm just keeping this video, because I want to share this with you all, guys, because hacking what is an Android, what is, you should need to watch. Okay, so rooting device and the rooted power, what is for the Android, let's see. Okay, so here's the game and we are back to its shop option, and now as you can see I have cracked this using Lucky Patcher, and we will now try to tap on it, and you see it prompted with a different framework. It didn't prompt as a Google payment portal, it prompted with a Lucky Patcher, and as it's a offline game and I'm not using it anymore, this device, so it's just fine. I'm not going to deal with any other thing. Okay, so I made purchases, getting lots of coins, and now I can redeem it using purchasing hoverboard, purchasing skates, and purchasing mystery box and unlimited. So still I'm getting and still I'm purchasing it. So similar to this, you can get unlimited, so there is no restrictions. And one more thing, that you can remove ads, you can apply some different tricks when you have root access, and you can get the custom options using the exposed modules too. So this is the fourth application, I mean the second one in the series of bottom to top, so it must be in the list, so that's why I've given it. So this is the Lucky Patcher. Let's move to the next one. So here is the another application called ES File Explorer, or you can say the root browser. We are just going to use the root directory, and you will see that what we can access the data inside the root directories. Okay, so root directory, as you can see, if your device is rooted, so it means that you have highly privileged access to the device that you can use. So similar to this, I'm enabling that the root explorer using the ES File Explorer, and now I will browse to the root directory, and you will see that I will have the high Wi-Fi passwords. Yes, really, yes. So let's move to the root directory, and let's do this. Let's move to the data, then to the miscellaneous, and to the Wi-Fi, and here is the Wi-Fi supplicant configuration. Okay, so if I open, you will see that I have used so many Wi-Fi networks in my tablet, and you can see all the passwords, all the pre-shared keys, or each and single data is contained in this directory. So now you got the idea that what is the root directory and what it contains. Now similar to this, you can actually modify so many files like .xml, other kind of files to get access to your device as perfect you want and you want to access. So this is the root power what you need to see, and I showed you can also use the root browser as well. So now let's move to the next one. So here is the fourth one. So this is the Wi-Fi kill or NetCut, and I have keep this in this list because it is a real-time application, and you will see that this is uncut video, and you will see how it works when you have root permission. Okay, so suppose this is my non-rooted device, or whether it's rooted doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm able to browse anything I want. Suppose I'm browsing Facebook, this is my Hackpedia page, you can like it as well, and I'm searching for Google as well, and I'm able to search anything. But as we are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, so I'm going to use the NetCut, and you will see that I won't be able to use internet in my phone anymore. So you can apply this hack in any device. Okay, so we are just going to refresh the list, and you will see the connected devices on this network, and let's see. So you can see there are two devices connected on this Wi-Fi network, and the first one is the Xiaomi, which is the device keeping in my left hand, and we are going to terminate that device. Okay, so if you can see that it have a display interface that you can swipe to right and left. So the swiping to right, it means your device is unlocked, but if you swipe it to the left, it will block your device. It will terminate the internet connection on that device, and you won't be able to access internet service. Okay, so it was closed. Let me open it once again. As I told you, if it's in right, it's unblocked, and if it's in left, it will lock. So as you can see that I'm able to open Facebook perfectly, but no more will be accessible. So let's deal with it. You can see I'm searching. Okay, so this time to apply the trick. Okay, so now I'm going to swipe it to the left, and okay, as you can see I have did it, and now I'm going to browse in front of you. This is uncut video. Let's see. This is my favorite method. This is my favorite hacking trick that I have ever seen, and you can see it's not opening. It's completely in the trash. It's not working anymore. So if I just switch off my device, it won't be able until I swipe it to the right. I won't be able to access it. So I have swiped it to right. Now you will see that Google will open by itself. So it open. See, so this was the trick that I wanted to share with you, and this is really a cool hacking trick. You can see the power of the rooted device. Okay, so this is about the netcut, or you can use the Wi-Fi key if you get it, because there are so many fake applications, but this works as charm, and this is the perfect application for the rooted Android device. So thanks for watching, and now let's move to the next video. So guys, here is the last and final application called Xpose Module Framework, or you can say the Gravity Box. These both apps are really connected to each other, and it works like a charm for your Android stock ROM. What it does actually, it customizes your Android stock ROM which you are using, and allows you to customize its colors, its function, and lots more. So what it does, it installs some jar files in your Android stock ROM in the root directory, and allows them to customize it well. So it also have some extra options to customize Lucky Patcher, Gravity Box, and lots more. So you can get more options for more customizations. Okay, so now as you know that there are some limited notification toggles keeps in the status bar, but after installing Gravity Box I have lots more. So there is no doubt that it's a cool application, and let me show you a small demonstration that it can customize the colors of the notification bar, or you can say the status bar, and lots more. So let's move to the lock screen tweak, and let me show you the changing of color, so you will get the idea that what is actually do. So let's change the status bar icon color. It's in the blue, but I'm just going to change it to green, and that would be great for the testing purpose. Let's move it. Okay, so so it's changed. Let me show you that. Yes, so you can see the icon of Wi-Fi, battery, and the clock has been turned into the green, and you can also change it to any color you want. It says your desire in what color you want and how many way you want to customize it. So similar to this, you can customize your lock screen, your toggle panels, and you can insert some extra features too. So this is about the framework of Xpose Module, or you can say the Gravity Box. So these are both applications which are very cool, which allows you to customize the stock of original Android, and you can get back to it by its default function easily. So that's it for this video, and if this video helps you to gather some, or helps you to introduce with a new application, don't forget to smash the like button, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel for more tips, tricks, and hacks. So this was about the top 5 Android hacking apps, and if you have any other suggestions, any other video requests, put down your questions or requests in the comment box, and I will try to keep you up to date with my latest stuff. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching once again this channel, and thanks for keep supporting. I want all your support. So thanks for watching. Have a great nice day, guys. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.